Hello, my dear viewers. Can you hear me? All right. So this is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Of course, this is your favorite 24. I need to post this in the beginning of the webinar because most of my webinars are of the same type. If I don't include the dates, then people might be confused with the levels that I'm going to discuss. Now, for those who are new here in this webinar, for them to understand that I'm not an So what I was saying is that everything that I say in this live stream should be only seen as a information or for knowledge purpose. It should not be seen as a trading advice. So in this case, the charts that I'm going to show you, you can understand them, use them for your understanding. But if you are placing trades on the real money based on these analysis of mine, then you will be responsible for your own trading. I cannot be held because I am not a trading advisor. Okay, I am just analyzing my own trades and I am giving my opinion. You can use it, you cannot use it. This is not trading advice, really. Okay, so let's not talk much about it now. Let's go to the charts and see what charts are showing us. In the process, we will be highlighting the key levels for all the forex majors, and we'll be placing our trades close proximity of those key levels. Okay. Now, before I take you to the charts, I must show you that risk disclaimer. You should see that. All right, now first things first. Today, I will only be discussing the levels which will be important in the coming time. This you can see from here. This is the daily chart of the dollar index. And you see that the dollar has tested the level that we had on our chart, that is 100.29, and has made an intraday low of 100.22. Now it is trying to rise from here, but after taking this liquidity from these two lows, if it is trying to rise, then it can go all the way back to this fair value gap that it has created. All right. So the damage has been done, or I will say that the 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 key level that it had to trade has already been traded. Now there is a high probability that it will go back to this 100.79 or 80 levels. Okay. Now what about the pound? Has the pound seen the highs? Let us see. Okay, but no, the pound has not tested these highs. Like I was saying that the pound is most probably bearish, or you can say heavy. Now after trading 50% of this wick, after trading 50% of this wick, okay, you will see that it has traded 50% or more. Now it will try to fall from here. Just my opinion, it need not to do it, but in my opinion, it will do so now. Let us see how the things unfold. But if you ask me where is the support and the resistance levels, guys, when it was falling, now 1.3238 is the resistance and the support is not here. Support is 1.26. go for this market. All right. All right. The next is euro. Euro is in the similar case. You see, the dollar has tested the previous lows, but euro and pound has not tested the previous highs. This means that there is some diversion. Say that these markets are heavier. Okay, there is a possibility then the price may not be able to break these highs of 1.1155 for the reason that if the US dollar starts rising from here, okay, the euro may not be able to, it may start falling from here. Now on the upside, the resistance is 1.1155. On the downside, the potential support is 1.0949. Now it's same is the case in the case of the Australian dollar also, but here you can see that it has, after going higher than this potential support, it has gone higher, tested this as a potential support, and now is trying to rise. Yes, we asked you to stay away from this, but now I think it's a good idea to go long in this one with the targets of 0.6825. But for some reason, if the price is able to go and close the day below this rectangle that I have created, which is also fair value gap, then it will be a good idea to go short in this one. But right now, it is only a buying market. What is the case with the New Zealand dollar? New Zealand dollar is not a buying market. It is trading inside that rectangle, which is bearish. And also you see that it is trading at the lower half of this rectangle. It is even more bearish now. Anytime the US dollar starts rising from here, I think it will eventually fall towards 0.5974. So keep a sharp eye on this one. If I think, okay, other than all this, you look at this big red candle. I think the 50% of this should be acting as a resistance now. If you're thinking that why it should be, okay, forget it. So we'll just mark the market structures, okay? We'll not talk about anything because it will be very difficult to explain two concepts in a line. So this is not the support. 0.6107 is not yet the support, okay? But yes, this has been established as the resistance because the price made a low, then it made a high, and then it has made another low. But this low is not established till the time the price makes a higher high than this one. Okay? So this is just a low, but not a key point of inflection. Okay? So the idea here is that I'm expecting a resistance in this zone, and the price may go like this, the price may go like this. Now, if the price has to go like this, now you see dollar index has to go like this. Yes. So let us see how the things unfold. I'm not uh, inclined to say that the US dollar will go like that. But yes, New Zealand dollar looks like very weak and it may not be able to go beyond these highs, that is 0.6254. So eventually the price may go back towards 0.597. Let's see how the things unfold. It's just the beginning of the week. There are a lot of news pending in this week. Although we are not going to talk about any news, but we know that there are FOMC meetings this week, which will end up in a lot of volatility in the markets and many market structures will change, shift or break. USD CHF. Now you see that we are expecting the prices to move higher from the USD CHF. But because of very bearish US dollar, it is trying to go and dig again towards 0.8333. So that's why I said, let's stay away from this because the price is not going anywhere. So just wait and watch for maybe Wednesday. I think next week the price action will be much better to USD CAD. Finally, a breakout possible. It looks like a breakout is possible. And also see how these bodies are respecting the price. Eventually, today or tomorrow, the price has to break through this 1.3621 area. In fact, this area, 1.3623 area, and then it will go towards 1.3739. Will it go? We are not sure. Only the next week will tell us. USD JPY. Every candle is a sell on the rise. It has already reached 139.57, which is an intraday low of today. Well, we expected this, isn't it? 138.06 is the target on the downside, sell on the rise. But it will also be important to watch what happens during the FOMC meetings on the Wednesday. Bitcoin. I will not say anything on this. I will just say that if one of my friends who asked me where is the Bitcoin going, is he still with us? I'm not sure. If he's still with us, I told him, get out of your positions if you are long. I told him here, I think, or here, get out of your positions if you are long, because I saw this uh, fair value gap here. The price went into this, boom. Now again, you see the price entered. It did not go higher than this high and is going boom. Now, if this has happened, where is the prime price going next? Minimum is this low. Thereafter, it is this low, 49,308. What is maximum? In fact, maximum is zero, but I would not say to that extent. I would only say that the price is going to 38,548, guys. The price is reaching for this level. Okay. Now it's your and this is just my opinion. In my opinion, the price is going here. You want to get out of your positions? You want to get short? Your wish. Find the key levels if you want to get short. I think below this, if the price goes below this and retest this area, the fresh resistance, that would be a good idea to go short in this. But scalping or playing shorts on the Bitcoin, I don't think that is also a good idea. Yes, ultimately, Bitcoin is going to zero. Okay, so we have Brent crude oil. We were short from this value gap, I think 86. Where is that? 86 levels. I think we were short somewhere here. I'm not going to joke about it, but we were short in this leg, okay, in this candle. Go watch my previous webinars and you will come to know what I'm talking about. Now, the same case has happened here. If you see carefully, this is where it is now. All right. After this leg started, this is the fair value gap when the price has created, which has not been traded. This is the fair value gap that the price has traded. So I'm expecting a short from there. I'm expecting a short from there like this. Let's see if this happens. If it doesn't happen and the price crosses above that, then I will be looking for buying at 76.66, which I think will not happen. I think the price will go down because I'm expecting the US dollar to rise. Let's see how the things unfold in this one also, guys. But I hope you got the idea. Okay, so we were expecting churning in the price in case of the gold, and it has finished. It closed a day higher. Thereafter, we have two consecutive days of green. Today is the red. This is Monday. I'm expecting a little pullback like this. Okay, little pullback and then a rise up further. So will this happen? We are not sure. Why we are not sure today? This is just Monday. We are not sure. If the price has to go low, then I think this line will offer a huge support to the price. Okay? Now, why we are not sure? Because we have a potential of interest rate cuts, I think. But again, I will not talk about that. But yes, that is an event which is scheduled this week. So let's see how the things unfold in this. Next week, we will be able to take a position in this, not this week. Euro yen, we were expecting lower prices. Yes, there are lower prices. But right now, it looks like a bullish engulfing at the support area. Okay. So I'm a little afraid on this. If somebody is already short, he should get out of his positions at this kind of stick pattern. That's it. Pound against Australian, it is slowly and steadily going higher again. Although initially it was rejected from this level, but still now you see that this low. Okay, the price has actually traded this fair value gap. Okay, once the price trades a fair value gap, gets rejected from there. Now this is a hint that the price is going back towards 1.9968. Let's see if that happens. CHF JPY, all the targets from my things are taken. 166.80 was my target. After that, the price closed below the level if I was thinking about has created a fair value gap. That fair value gap is being traded today. Although it's a bullish engulfing, but I'm expecting lower prices again in the CHF JPY. But should I sell this now? No, I will wait for the next week for the prices to settle down and trade next week. Not this week. I'm not trading this week, guys. Sorry. Already New Zealand. I'm expecting higher prices. We all are expecting higher prices. Why? Because the Australian dollar is strong, New Zealand dollar is weak. Okay. So already New Zealand is going towards 1.1058. I think now you should be expecting a huge wick. Sorry, to the, not a huge body to the upside, like this. Boom. Okay. It may happen today. It may happen tomorrow. It may happen this week. Let's see. Gas. A close above, pull back, retest, close again almost at the similar levels. I think any close above this red candle will open up the way for the higher levels. 2.7887, these areas are what I'm looking for the prices to take support after reaching there, and then we can look for the higher prices. Yes. Euro CAD, I was expecting a down move. For some reason, Euro has gone and is almost going to close, I think, above this gap. Now, if that happens, then tapping to that level again and going higher is what I will be looking at. Okay. I will be keeping a sharp eye on the Euro CAD right now. Although I was looking for the lower prices, but no, it has made its way up. So this is a failure of the reading of the price, I will say. Or in other sense, I will say that the very bearish Brent crude oil has resulted in the euro CAD going higher, because euro being stronger and the Canadian dollar being very weak because of the Brent crude oil. So yeah, to some extent, I am still bearish till the time the price does not go above this high. I'll not be looking for any buying opportunity. Okay, so I'll still be bearish. Let us see how the things unfold tomorrow and day after. Ethereum, in the same case like the Bitcoin, is going to go down. I'm sure about it. I don't have any confusion in my mind that the price is going down. Although I was expecting it from here, now it is going to happen here. So that's it, guys, from my side. If you find it useful, you can leave the comment in the comment section. And if you are new here, going through my video right now, you may consider subscribing to this channel. I don't know about the others, but I'm sure that I'll be adding some value to your trading journey if you are with me here for a few more days. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Till then, bye bye. Take care. And remember, do not risk more than 1% on any single trade. And every time you press a button, statistically, you will be more profitable if you press your button only if you have a potential of making more 3 times on the risk that you're going to take. So with this note, I shall end this live stream. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow at the same time.